What's up, y'all? Hope y'all doing good today. It's Landon from Laced Up LLC, and we got a pair of 2018 Jordan 3 black cements. Customer brought them in, said he wanted them iced, deep cleaned, and to get some scuffs and scratches out. About to show my pair right here. They could be iced, but this is where we want to get them to. Now here, we just dipped our soft bristle brush into the solution, and we're just going to go in circular motions around the whole shoe and get whatever dirt and grime up. Now I'm using the heat gun on the insole to lift it up. These factory insoles are usually glued in down super tight, so I'm just lifting it up so I can get it up and cleaned up. Now we're going back in with a soft bristle brush and cleaning the inside of the shoe, getting any, sweat stains and what else is in there, getting it out. Now here, I'm just using a lint shaver, just getting off any excess strings and threads and whatnot, and also using the lint shaver on the insoles before I clean them, just to get most of that lint and debris just off. I also use a lighter to get anything off that the lint shaver wasn't getting off, get all that old glue and whatever off. Now I'm just going in with a soft bristle brush and cleaning it just like I did the outside and the inside of the shoe. Now here I'm just using the medium bristle brush to get any of the other dirt and grime that the soft bristle brush wasn't able to get. Now we're using the stiff bristle brush on the toe cap and the outsole to get any of the parts that people are walking on, stepping on, get all that out. Now here I'm using an X-Acto knife. You could use a flathead screwdriver if you want to be safer, but I'm just getting all the rocks and gum out of those cracks and crevices of the outsole. Now I'm lathering up the bottom with a soft bristle brush so I can use a steel wire brush to get even more of that dirt and those stains out. Now moving on to the back tab, there's a lot of yellowing happening just from dirt and grime, and there's a lot of scratches on that back that we're going to take care of with acetone and a cotton swab. Now here I taped up the back tab and taped up the paint and the elephant print on the sides so I can use a matte finish on the back to get those scratches out. Now we'll use the heat gun to set that finish, and it'll come out looking brand new. Now here, there were just some scuffs and some dirt on the white part of the midsole that wasn't able to get out with cleaning, so we'll just use a little bit of acetone and cotton swabs to lightly go over and get those scuffs off. Now here, I'm prepping the toe cap and going to be prepping the outsole to be iced. The acetone will lift up any more residual dirt, grime, any dust, any stuff like that. So now we'll get ready. We're just cleaning off the laces, getting them nice and soiled. So now we'll wring them out through the towel to get all that excess soap out. Now, there's a lot of things that people use to ice soles. I just use Salon Care 40. It's been working for me, and I haven't damaged any shoes doing it, so I'll keep on going. So you just apply the Salon Care 40 with a paintbrush or anything that you can use it to apply, and then you'll wrap it with saran wrap or plastic wrap and throw it in a ice box, which is just a box wrapped with aluminum foil and a UV Mars grow light. Now here I'm just using the heat gun to shrink that plastic wrap so it's not flying all over the place before I tape it down. Now this was after one 24-hour session. The shoes came out looking white as cocaine. Now I'm just cleaning off that excess Salon Care 40 because you don't want that sitting on the shoe after you're done. But the bottoms look brand new. And now we'll just wipe it down and we'll be ready to put them back. Got to get a little more rocks and whatever pieces out the bottom that we missed. And wow, you can really see the difference. You can see the difference in the gray, you can see the difference in the white, and you can just see the difference in the elephant print. Bottoms, again, brand new. So that's what we're here for. We're here to get your shoes clean and looking like they were before you bought them. Now, here I'm pointing out something that happens on a lot of Jordan 3s is that paint starts to scuff up just from wearing them, your feet clicking together. So we'll just use some Angelus black leather paint. We'll get a paintbrush and we'll just lightly go over it and then set it with our heat gun. Now that we're finished just looking at the shoe, it's a night and day difference. You can tell which one's been clean, which one hasn't. One looks brand new, and bottoms look back to never being worn. You can see on that left back tab, there's a scuff on the far left. Right one got wiped down with acetone in the matte finish, and ain't no scuffs in sight. Now these shoes look perfect, brand new. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for watching. Leave me a like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep making these videos. Click any of the links in the description down below. There's my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Gmail. DM me or email me, and I'll hit you back with a quote. Y'all can ship them, pick them up, whatnot. Y'all be safe. Peace.